All right, guys, I'm going to show you how to make a transcript real quick using Premiere Pro. It's super freaking easy. All you have to do is open up your project file. These are exports of something I've already done, so it's going to be nice and easy for me. The first thing I'm going to do is go to this type tool, and I'm just going to come up here and just make a box. The box really doesn't matter at this point. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to open up Transcript. At this point, I can delete that box. Hit create transcript. Everything on this box is fine. The settings are completely okay with me. You can change them if you need to, but for basic captions, this is what I'm looking for. This is going to be quick and easy for me. So at this point, it takes the audio and analyzes it. For this minute and a half-ish sequence, it's going to take me about a minute. So really not that much time at all. And I mean, you can do other things while you wait and look at other stuff, but I'm not gonna do that. I'll let it run, let it do its thing. I've got a few more seconds remaining here and it should be done. Doing all this in real time just so you know how quick it is. All right, let's go through here. Just kind of make sure there's no spelling errors. Everything looks fine. I mean, there's a few little things, but again, I don't need this to be perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit create caption here. Create. Again, I think everything in that box is just fine. And boom, there we have it. Under 2 minutes, just a quickie, little banger for you guys.
One time I had an unexpected connection while
that's
walking
it.
around
If
the
you have any
neighborhood.
questions, hit me up.